Rylan, can you smile? What? What do you want? What do you want? What's that? What's that? Is that all your John Deere collection of toys?
No, I got a big John Deere downstairs.
Are you having fun? Rylan. Whoa, where are you going? Whoa. What? Can you say hi to Grandma? Can you wave? Ryan, can you wave? Rye, can you wave? Rylan. Rylan. Hey, you. Hey, you. Obviously, he likes baseball. Yeah. Can you wave? Can you blow a kiss? Hey, can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Is that you blowing kisses? Mwah. That's nice.